Welcome to Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres, a tropical paradise nestled along the shores of Cancun, Mexico. Let's take you on a visual journey through the exquisite rooms and amenities this luxurious resort has to offer. With its breathtaking views and stunning architecture, Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres is a sight to behold. The resort boasts a pristine beachfront where you can relax and soak in the sun. If you're a Palladium member, dive into the crystal-clear waters of this exclusive pool and enjoy a refreshing swim. For a royal experience, head to the TRS pool area, where luxury and tranquility await. Step into your private oasis as we explore the elegantly designed rooms. Each room offers a perfect blend of comfort and style, with cozy sitting areas and luxurious bedding. Prepare to be amazed by the modern and sophisticated bathroom design. Indulge in a relaxing rain shower experience. Stay refreshed with a well-stocked mini fridge offering a variety of beverages. Unwind and pamper yourself with plush robes and thoughtful amenities. As you step out to your private balcony, take in the panoramic views and feel the warm ocean breeze. From luxurious rooms to stunning surroundings, Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres promises an unforgettable vacation experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tours, tricks, and tips.